Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy bag for you guys. I'm super excited to see what's in this. I've been getting some pretty good stuff in my Ipsy bags lately, so super stoked about seeing what's in here. Hopefully it's as good as it has been. We'll see though. And let's get into it. So this is the bag. There are masks in it. I'm excited. I'm pretty sure it's a sheet mask, which I love sheet masks. I have so many now. I'm just like super stoked. I need to start using them more. So that is the first thing I got. But look at this cute bag. This is so pretty, this green. And it's like a cool texture. Alright, let's open it. There's a little card in it. Oh, I can open. It's attacking me. So it shows me what's in here, but I'm not going to look too close, so I'm a little more surprised. Okay, so we got, I've been getting a lot of Huda Beauty, like lip colors and stuff, and I got eyelashes. So I've gotten 2 lip colors, eyelashes, and now this lip liner. So I got Huda Beauty Lip Contour Trophy Wife is the color. Ooh, this is really pretty. So that's like a color. Actually, this will look good underneath the lip color I'm wearing right now. So that's that. Super pretty. Love this. Next is this Estate. It's called Do Me Baked Highlighter Powder. It's highlighter power. I lost it. So this is what this looks like. It's pink. Well, the packaging's pink. And then it's like this pretty this pretty gold color, and it's literally called Dew, like Mountain Dew, Dew Me. And that is what that looks like. It is super pretty. It's a nice, like, light gold color. So I can actually probably wear this and it will not look bad on me. So that's really cool. Next is Beach Waterproof Mascara. Sweet. Hopefully this is bomb, because that is what the little thing looks like. I need waterproof mascara for my wedding, or I'm gonna look like a hot mess crying. So hopefully this stuff works well. And last but not least is It Confidence in a Gel Lotion, oil-free, for all skin types, hydro plumping, 72-hour hydration. So that's that. It's like super cute and tiny. I'm pretty sure I saw this exact product, obviously not this, but like full size, at Marshall's. I don't know if it was actually real, but it was there. I'm almost positive. And that is everything I got in my Ipsy bag. I just love this. Look how cool that is. Like, it's like really cute. I like this bag. Okay, so we got mascara, lip liner, hydrating stuff, moisturizer I guess would be a good one to call that, highlighter, face masks. So we got 2 skincare, 3 cosmetic. I really like this stuff actually. I'm really excited about this lip liner. I'm hoping this works well so I don't have to buy any mascara now for the wedding makeup. And then this color is really cute. Super stoked to try these. There's 2 in here. It's peach and I think blueberry is what it looks like. Oh yeah, peach and blueberry. So I got technically 6 things. Awesome. Okay, so that is everything I got in my Ipsy bag for this month. I'm super excited to try some of it out and see what it looks like. This color on my lips is the Jeffree Star question mark one. I was like kind of shocked when they put it on. I was like, whoa, this is pinker than I thought it was. But I actually like it, so works out. Feels good. My lips don't feel like all dry and gross like they do sometimes from liquid lipsticks. So yeah, anyways, that was way off topic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys!